Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you my face massage routine, and there are so many benefits to doing these facial massages. If you want me to do a video just walking you through all the benefits, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do that. But just briefly, some of the benefits include having a glowing skin, helps with facial rejuvenation. Also has some anti-aging benefits as well. It just helps to relax your facial muscles. It helps with your blood flow under your skin, and basically what goes on underneath the skin is equally as important as what goes on over the skin. So to start with, using your favorite moisturizer or oil, just moisturize all over your face to help with the glide once you start doing the massage. So using two of your fingers, start by applying pressure, just normal pressure, not too hard, and start by sculpting, going upwards over your jawline. Ideally, you should be doing each of these exercises for 30 seconds, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to be doing 3 to 5 times. So going towards the same direction, go over your mouth and just repeat that for as many times as necessary. And then go over your nose for the nose massage. And when your fingers are going underneath your eye, try to be gentle there because the skin there is more sensitive, and so be gentle with the pressure that you apply over that area. And then go over your eyelids. Again, the skin over our eyelids is really soft, so be gentle when you're going over your eyelid. But this really helps with draining the lymphatic system, so it is really good to do these massages. Then just go over the center of your forehead, just gliding upwards, and then start draining the right side of your forehead, going downwards towards your ears, and then do the left side, doing the same thing towards your left ear. And then you can then start going upwards towards the back of your ears from your neck, like I am showing you here. And you will actually start feeling so relaxed because this relaxes your facial muscles, like I said earlier. And it just adds this beautiful and natural glow to your skin. And I am done. So as I said, for the purposes of this video, I just did it for a few minutes. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.